Hey guys, make some shawarma with me, and this is quite juicy and very easy to make. It wasn't stressful at all, and I was done in a jiffy. So first I cooked my chicken. I just spiced it up. I didn't add any water. It didn't burn because I used my non-stick pot, and I just stirred that flavor or spice into the chicken, put that on fire. Then I spiced my wieners. I put a little bit water for the wiener so that could boil, and I cooked it for just like 5 minutes. Then my cabbage, I used my industrial blender to chop my cabbage and carrots. That just happened in few minutes. And I brought out my chicken, put in the grill, and I mixed my bama and chili sauce for, I think, sweet chili pepper. That's what just gives you the shawarma taste. Mixing bama, that's mayonnaise with chili pepper. Then my chicken, got that out of the grill and chopped it up and mixed that up with the cabbage. Took my wieners and roasted a little bit. Then I put that into the bread roll, and voila! I got a little bit of assistance along the line, but voila, I was done, and it was delicious.